So this is a nurse tree. It's an old tree that has fallen, and when it falls, it creates space in the canopy. And so trees will take root on the nurse tree as it's decomposing, and they'll get like all those nutrients, and it just gives them more of a space to grow. And so this is what we have here. It's like all these little trees have taken root on this nurse tree and are beginning to grow. And so if you're ever in the forest, a lot of times you'll see like these big trees and it looks like their roots are kind of floating and they're all in a row. Well, those were trees that sprouted on a nurse tree. So it's really cool how the forest works.